How to auction on eBay. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open eBay app on your phone. And now make sure that you are logged into it. In the bottom, you can see various options. Go ahead and tap on selling. Tap on list your item. Now, after you do that, you will enter to the screen where you want to tell the eBay what you want to sell, that is a shoe, and it will give you categories on what type of shoes you want to sell. After that, you want to tap on search on the bottom right corner. Now you need to match what type of shoes that we were talking about, and you can also select the categories. Now you want to tap on continue without match if any of that doesn't match to what you are going to sell. To select categories, tap on athletic shoes on the very top and then select the category. After that is done, tap on continue without match, and then here you need to select the condition of the item, that if it is new with box, new without box, or new with defects or pre-owned. Tap on continue listing. Then again tap on continue. Now here you need to enter your country, your address, and your detailed address, city, state, and postal code, and the number of your phone. And after you fill up this form, you will be able to auction on eBay. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.